In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily change the lip color on your Snapchat Bitmoji. Changing the lip color on your Bitmoji can help you customize and personalize your avatar to better match your style or mood. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on this button. And then swipe left on these options, and tap on this exact button. This will give you the ability to select a lipstick color. Simply tap and select the color you want. For example, I'm going to select pink. Once you've done that, tap on the Save button at the top right to save changes. This is exactly how you can change the lip color on your Snapchat Bitmoji. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.